中島と鍛えたタイヤ。レーストラクション。
Oh yeah. Team AJP Drift Team. The Drift Missiles. Yo!
All the bangers, man. All the bangers. Yeah, luxury drifts. Luxury car drifts. This ain't no Honda. Yo, check out that Scandinavian flick. Bam! Oh, dang. Dangle, dangle. Dangle, dangle. Oh, yeah, baby. Big corner. Big corner. Bam. Yo, what up, wall?
I'm gonna sign them for you, brother.
Woo! On-track fender modifications going on in the back.
You hit him harder than you thought. Oh, you drove right over it. Look at this. What'd you find, man? Spare part? Got a zip tie it on?
You gotta zip tie everything.
Yo, so I hope you guys are enjoying this content. Like, Adrenaline Junkie Prod has always, the goal has always been mixed motorsports.
Yep.
Like mixed martial arts. It's so hard to create this content and edit it and get it all done sometimes. But you know what? We've been working on it for a while. We've been talking about it. We're gonna make it happen.
And don't forget, guys, don't forget to support the channel. If you guys want to support us with some merch, we do this all for you. This what keeps us going.
We got some Dangle angle here out there.
We got some sticker packs coming for you guys. Yeah, everything you need. All we're gonna gift you guys. So excited.
He's ready for more action. Wow, you're a machine.
Cut back to more Dangle angle footage. Dangle, everybody! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Dangle angle! Fuck dangle angle! say, yeah. Been off-roading. Shout out Team AJC. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you love off-roading stuff. And we're back to Dangle Angle. Bang!
She's seen some things, did some stuff. Yeah, sent her a little too hard.
Oh, bro, we can still send it.
Is that Sendy juice? Oh man, this winter is going to be epic. We're gonna give you what you guys want to get you through the winter and ready and hyped for next season, because we're gonna hit it big. So thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. Check out the Shopify store.
Hell yeah.
And yeah, just stay tuned, because there's gonna be off-roading, there's gonna be drifting, there's gonna be tracking and lapping, and a whole bunch of shenanigans in between, maybe some motorcycles and stuff.
Everything.
Yeah. Team Royal Distributing, Team Euro Luxury Inc., Team Brantford Tire Craft, Team Royal Distributing, oh I said that already, Team HAP, Auto Experts, Chris under the car, fixing his dip. You having difficulty? I blew up the tranny, people. I blew it. Too much sending.
三菱バジャル市販車部門制覇過酷なパリダカール磨き抜かれたバジャル国内販売でもトップを独走バジャルナンバーワン